Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Children, as you all know, we are learning money and we are going to learn today making bills. Our topic for today is making bills. So this is, children, an important topic. Why this is important? Because whenever we go to the market and we buy something, so what we will get after buying something, what we will get? We will get a bill of your whatever the articles you have already bought. So children, this is the time when we will see the bill, what is the cost. Suppose if you went to the market and you have bought that toothpaste ₹25 and this the cost of all the articles, and after that when you went to the that counter, the shopkeeper's counter, and he just typed the bill and just gave to you, and you have seen that how much amount of toothpaste, how much amount of these soaps, how much amount of any article which you wanted to buy. So that time you have seen the bill, and in that bill, on the basis of the bill, you are going to pay money. So that is why I am telling you, children, this is very important to make a bill first. Now children, this is mandatory for the shopkeeper, and he or she is supposed to give you a bill, and bill contains many things which is very much important for any storekeeper. So this is, children, on the basis of bill you can go to the court also if anything is defective, so you can go to the court also. So the bill is very important. That is why few things which must entered into bill. So that is why this is important for the customer. And if any defective item you will get, so you can go to the customer care and you can complain with that on the basis of your bill. So children, there are few important points that we must know. So there is one thing which is very important, that is each bill has the name of the store. First thing, the name of the store. First thing, okay? Because this is important. From which place you are buying items, that should be mentioned that must be mentioned in the bill. So the name of a store or shop, okay. Now the second thing which is important for any bill, that is bill number and date. Bill number and date, children. This is also very, very important. And if you have seen any bill, you can see at the corner of or somewhere it is mentioned bill number 2, bill number 3, bill number 4. So it's having a क्रमांक हिंदी में कह सकते हैं, और वो पेज नंबर्स होते हैं, तो वो बिल नंबर होता है. So that is the bill number, okay. So bill number should be mentioned, and number 3 is important for any bill, that is item sold. Item sold. That is also very important for any bill. Now number 4 is, which is very important, that is price of each item. Price of each item. Price of each item and the total cost and the total cost. total cost. ठीक है? Price of each item and the total cost. Okay, so this is the four important thing which must mention in the bill. That is how we can say this bill is appropriate. So whenever you are supposed to go to the market, and when you buy something, so you must see the bill, which is very important for you children. So here the name of the store must be mentioned. Now second thing is bill number and date. On which date you are purchasing that item, that should be mentioned in the bill. Now items sold, how many items will be sold by the shopkeeper or storekeeper, so that should be mentioned. Now price of each item and the total cost. Suppose if you have bought some 4 bottles and one cost of the bottle is 10 rupees, so it can be multiplied and the total cost will be given in the bill also. Okay, so the item cost and the single item cost and the total cost of your items, whatever you have already bought, so that should be mentioned, that must be mentioned in the bill. So that is the thing is important, the 4th thing which is we have to check whenever we are getting the bill from any store. So children, these 4 things, after these 4 things we are going to learn how to make a bill. Okay, so actually this is the work of shopkeeper, but because we are learning money, so we should know how to make bill of anything, because we have to write in the rupees and paise. The cost of any item we will write in rupees and paise. So that is why we should know how to make bill. So now I am going to give you one example children. So this is example. So example is Meena bought a book for rupees children 38 and 75 paise, 2 pence, okay, at rupees 8 and 75 paise per pen, okay. Now and 2 pencils for each for rupees 1 and 25 paise from Tandon book store. Okay children, so here children you can see that Meena bought a book of rupees 38 and 75 paise and 2 pens at rupees 8 and 75 per pen and 2 pencils each for 1 rupees 25 paise from Tandon book store. So the shop name is Tandon book store. Okay, now children, what we will do? So make a bill and find the total. The question is, make a bill and find the total. ठीक है? Make a bill and find the total children. Now children, let's start learning how to make bill. First of all, this is your bill. You just draw a rectangular box and here it will be written over here cash memo. This is cash memo. Okay, and after that the name of the bookstore, Tandon Bookstore, Tandon Book Store. Okay, you can write capital. So this is the name of a shop. Now children, bill number, suppose 540. Okay, now children, we will see the date also. Here the date must be mentioned. Today is 17/9/2021. So children, here date is mentioned, cash memo at the center, then you can see the store name, and here you can see bill number and then date of the bill. Now children, we will write over here items. How many items are there? So items and then rate and items. Okay, and after that we will write rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. Okay. Okay, so here there are few lines that we should be mentioned over here because it should be separated, otherwise it will be mingled, है ना. तो वो उसको अलग करने के लिए बिल नंबर आपका हो गया, ठीक है. बुक, now here date is there, so this is divided by these things. Okay, now children, we will write that Meena bought a book for rupees 38. Now children, how much amount she paid, or not paid but she supposed to pay. Now here a book. Item, what is the item? Here you can see the item is a book, children. So we will write one book. Okay, and the cost of a book is rate, or you can say the item. So 38 rupees and 75 paise. Now we will write in the rupees and paise 38, and here paise is 75. Okay, now the next item is 2 pence. 2 pence. Okay, 2 pence are there. So how much cost of 2 pence? There is rupees 8 and 75. Okay, rupees 8 and 75 paise. Okay, now children, we have to write that rupees and paisa. So here, because this is rupees 8 and 75, so that is why we have to add this 2 times, because 2 pence are there. So we will get 17 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, 17 rupees and 50 paise. Now 2 pencils. Okay, so 2 pencils. Now what is the cost of 2 pencils? There is 1 rupees and 25 paise. Because 2 pencils are there, so we just add this 2 pencils, or the cost of 2 pencils. So what we will get? We will get 2 rupees 50 paise. 2 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, so here children you can see, ये इतना हम लोग ने कर लिया. अब देखते हैं हम लोग टोटल कॉस्ट क्या आई. टोटल, this we have completed. Now children, we will see total. Total, what is the total? Total we will see, children, 58. Now let's total it. Okay, so 2 will be right over here, 8, 7, that is 15, 16, 17. Okay, 1 will be carry over, 1, 2, and it is 5, 57 we will get. Okay, sorry, 58 we will get. Okay, because 2 is also there, so 58 we will get. Now what we will do? We will do over here, now paise we will count. So how much paise? 5, 5, 5 and 5, 5, 10 and 1 is 17. Okay, so here you can see that is 75 paise, because 1 is 100, that is why it will be added over here. So this is 58 rupees and 75 paise. Okay, so it should be mentioned in the words also. Okay, so it should be mentioned in the words also. So here children, words, in words we will write 58 rupees and 75 paise. Okay, this must be there because it will be written in the words also. Now children, first we will start adding from paise. 5, 5, 5, 5. Now this is, we will get 5, 5, 10 and 1 is 17. 7 will be placed over here, 1 will be carry over. So 8, 7, that is 15. 15, 1 is 16, 17, 18. 8 we will write. Now 1 will be carry over. So 1 and 3 is 4 and 1 is 5. So that is how we can do the addition. So here, after adding this, we will get total amount of rupees. The person, it means Meena, have to pay or has to pay 58 rupees 75 paise for these items. So that is how we can make a cash memo, because this is an important part. Okay children, so on the basis of that we will do one exercise which is given in your book also. So we will do making a bill, make separate bills. Okay, so this is given, this is number 14 number exercise. Okay, so on the basis of that we will do this one. Children, so children, let's start doing question number 14. Make separate bills for each of the following and find the total cost. Make separate bill. Make separate bill for each of the following and find the total cost. Make separate bill and find the cost. Find the cost. Okay, this is number 14. You can find on page number 124. So this is number 14 number question. Now here 3 cricket bats and 1 water bottle. 3 cricket bat and 1 water bottle. Water bottle and what is there? 5 pence, 5 pence and a book, 5 pence, a book and a ball and 2 balls and 2 balls. Okay. Now here you can see in your book the cost is given, already given. So we just start making the cash memo. So first what we have done, we should write cash memo. Okay. Now the store name, whatever you would like to, Tandon bookstore or Tandon store लिख दीजिए आप. You can write Tandon store. Now here bill number 545. Okay, date 17/09/2021. Okay, so here now we are going to write item and here rate rate an item. Okay, now here rupees and पैसे, rupees and पैसे. ठीक है, इसको अलग अलग कर लीजिए. Okay, now we will do over here, children, what is the cost of 3 cricket bat. Now 1 cricket bat cost is 3 cricket bat. 3 cricket bat. The cost of bat is given in your book, that is 75 rupees 50 paise. 75 rupees and 50 paise. So if we will multiply by 75 and 50 paise by 3, so we will get 300. 5 3s are 15. 1 will be carry over, 5 3s are 15, and 1 is 6. 1 will be carry over, 7 3s are 21. 20 and 1 is 216. So here 216 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Now children, what is the cost of 1 water bottle? 1 water bottle. Okay, 1 water bottle cost is here 11 rupees 40 paise. 11 rupees 40 paise. Now 11 and 40. Okay, now here children, what is next? 5 pence. 5 pence, children. So the cost of pence is given in your book, that is 9 rupees 30 paise. So here 9 5s are 30 paise. इसको पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15, 1 will be carry over, 9 5s are 45, 45 and 1 is 46. So 46 rupees and 50 paise. ठीक है. And 2 balls, pens, 5 pens, and here a book. You can see a book cost is 19 rupees 10. 19 rupees 10 paise. 19 rupees 10 paise. ठीक है. Now children, we will do. Now next item is 2 balls. 2 balls. 2 balls, यहाँ 1 लिख लीजिए. 2 balls का cost क्या है? 7 rupees 25 paise. 7 rupees 25 paise. So 7 rupees 25 paise को 2 से multiply करेंगे. 5 2s are 10. 1 will be carry over. 2 2s are 4 and 1 is 5. Okay. Now 7 2s are 14. Here you can see 14 rupees and 50 paise. So here children, we will write the amount of. ठीक है, इसको पहले अब ऐड कर लेंगे children. First we will start from the पैसेज column. So पैसेज column से start करेंगे. 0 0 0 0 0 5 5 10 14 15 5 5 10 for 15 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So we will write 0 over here. 2 will be carry over. Now here children, we will write 11 here. So 6, this is carry over. 6 and 1, 6 is 12 and 1 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28, 2 will be carry over. Now 2 and here, 1, 4, 1 4, 1 1, 1 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 0 will be placed over a 3 is there. So okay, 10 and 1 here, this is 308. 308 rupees and So here children, you can see 308. 308 the total amount of these items. So that is how we can able to make the cash memo or bill. Okay children, so complete it. Now you can make it separately also. You can make 3 items bill separate and 3 items bill separate. So it is depend upon you. You can make one cash memo, it is okay. So you can make it. So children, that is how we have completed this chapter, money. And from tomorrow onwards, we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 8, measurement. Okay children? So we will meet again, practice it. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself.